Today, she and her husband own 7 silver mine sub shops. And last year, they raised wages for all their hourly employees. For many hourly workers, taking just a few days off can mean losing their job.
And employees in hourly roles can enroll in our Career Choice program, where we prepay 95% of tuition for any courses related to in-demand fields, regardless of whether the skills are relevant to a career at Amazon.
And the conversation that took place around this table is very different than the one that you see on a day-to-day or hourly basis in the media.